Alrighty, what's up guys? Back with another video. Here today with my buddy John. He's the one with the 370. Oh, that did not sound good. Hey John, what'd you say about this truck earlier though? You said it was a what?
It's a piece.
Yeah, it is a piece. Most Fords are pieces, and I'm a Ford owner, I'll say
like
it now.
Mustang?
Like that gas cap over there.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, don't cuss my views. I'm gonna bleep it out. Ooh, we got the Tesla over there. Hey John, what are we about to start doing, bro?
We're gonna do a walk around in my 370Z, and then we are going to install hydraulic hood struts because for whatever reason, that 2010 Ford F-150 has hydraulic hood struts, and mine still uses the old-fashioned hood prop, which is kind of stupid for a sports car.
Which is another reason why your 370Z is a piece as well.
No, it's not. Bro, I'll gap you anyway.
He wishes. Oh Lord, Terry.
What?
She is so dirty.
Dang, dude, do you even take care of your car?
Bro.
Come on.
When are we gonna wash these things, bro? Turn the lights on. Oh shoot. So our lights are on a timer, which kind of sucks. It's every 15 minutes. Looks like the flag fell down, so that's cool.
Need some nice weather.
I know, bro. I know we do. John, are you gonna do a cold start on this thing or what?
Yeah.
All right. So he hasn't started that thing in a while, so he's gonna do a cold start on that. He started it earlier today, I guess. I don't know. Kind of smells like crap in here, so that's probably why. We're gonna be recording a video of installing hydraulic hood struts on this thing. So I kind of want to get a different lens for this camera, like a wide angle lens. That would help a lot, but yeah. Boom. Alrighty. Hey, bro, leave that open, man. Leave that open, bro. Come on. Alright, so John has his camera. I'm about to move my car so he can pull his out. I haven't started this thing in a few days since the last video, so let's see what it's sounding like now. Oh Lord. Hold on, I just had to get a video of this. This thing looks gnarly besides that turn signal cover missing. Oh, she looks good though, so. All right, John, go ahead and start your piece of shit up and then.
On mine, you asshole.
Oh, what? I was gonna record on mine, bro. I'll do. All right, so we got the Z out here. She's sounding all right. She's sounding all right. I'll get it to him. John, will you give me a few reps? Give a few reps. All right, let's hear this bad sucker. Okay. He still needs to get it tuned, but it's all right. It's all right. It needs a tune.
Yeah.
Are you gonna tune it soon?
I need an actual catback exhaust, so I have like 3 different companies, different like parts of the exhaust.
You probably gotta talk louder because your car's on.
I have Burke Technology, catless and non-resonated test pipes. I have Z1 Motorsports Y pipe without any flex pipe, and then I have like random resonators welded in to try to get rid of a little bit of the rasp.
Yeah.
And then it has JT Racing axle back, so it's like it's like 4 different exhaust companies all like mixed into one.
Frankenstein.
So, yeah, I call it the Frankenstein exhaust. So
yeah.
I want to get the NVIDIA Gemini catback exhaust just to have like an actual full system. It'll probably sound
a lot
pretty
better.
good, and then with the catless test pipes, it'll sound pretty good.
Oh yeah, it does. You have the Steeda intakes, or what kind of intakes?
Stillen.
Stillen. Okay. That's still on intakes. ESR wheels. What?
Piece of crap.
I don't know, this 370Z is pretty cool, but still doesn't sound better than the Mustang. Oh. Just wait till I get her cam. She's gonna sound definitely a lot better. And cams and headers is definitely gonna change this car. So just wait, it's gonna come soon. Need to get a few more paychecks, it's coming. All right, we're back in the Mustang. We're gonna pull the cars back in the garage, and then me and John are gonna be recording a video on his car. Like I said, go check it out, 513 Garage, and he's about to crash. Oh my gosh. The camera could pick that up. It's too bright. I have this camera on auto mode. I haven't really figured out the settings. I kind of have, but I haven't. And right now, auto mode's looking the best, so that's what I'm gonna keep it on until I can figure it out. Don't want to get copyrighted, so turn that off. John, why do you always lose parts, bro?
I don't lose them, they're bolted together. That's dumb as shit.
Oh my gosh, bro. I'll give you guys an update when John knows what he's doing.
You're an asshole.
Alright, so I'm just chilling. John's trying to figure that out. Honestly, he has no clue what to do, so I'm just gonna be waiting on him. If I was a good friend, I'd probably help him out, but I don't feel like it today, so. Here are my stock headlights. I might sell them, I don't know. I don't know what to do with them, honestly. The black one's definitely a lot better. I probably guess I could tear this off since the other one's missing too. This is kind of cheap. I don't know how this came off. I guess the 3M tape sucks, but. So definitely if you see these turn signal covers on American Muscle, I would not buy them, especially because in the sun, you can see the tape like through them and it just looks very low quality. And then I guess when you drive on the highway, they come off as well. So I would definitely just rather spend the extra money to get your turn signals actually wrapped instead of just buying these covers, so. What? Alright, well this is where this is gonna go.
Will you tell me when I get up?
Yeah. Alright, so we gotta end up jacking John's car up, but it's actually too low for the low profile jack. So we gotta pull it up on these wood blocks so the jack will fit, which kind of sucks, but now we're gonna die of carbon monoxide poisoning. But alrighty. Alright. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. You're good. Right there. Perfect. So hopefully now this thing will fit under there. Oh man. John, how do you feel about that, buddy?
It's part of the life, bro.
What life?
The car game.
Not the Mustang life though.
Nah, because your Mustang is gay.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. Your Mustang, you've actually really like, from what it was and the way it looks now, like with all the like simple stuff that you've done, like the chin spoiler, the headlights, the scoops, like
yeah.
It just looks so aggressive, and just from being like stock from what it was, like the lowering springs, the wheels, the tint was probably the biggest game changer.
Yeah,
and
dude.
The banner up top, like everything just looks amazing.
Hey,
so,
that's why you're my bro. You're my bro, bro.
That looks good.
Oh shoot, the lights turned off. Gotta go turn these on real quick. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, so me and John just finished doing the hood struts, the hydraulic struts on his Z. If you want to check that out, go to 513 Garage. He'll be posting the full video of that here soon. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's definitely a lot better than just having this stupid little thing hold your hood up the whole time. So we're about to get out of here. On Sunday, we're gonna be doing his truck. He has new wheels and tires over there. Bro, I won't drop the video until then. And he also has a few other little surprises for his truck too that I'll keep a secret. So
Yeah.
I don't know when they're gonna get this freaking stuff done. This building has been sitting like this for like weeks now. All they did was put a fence around it. So I don't know what they're planning on doing. I guess they're gonna have to tear the whole building down, which is gonna suck. Because if I ever wanted to get my car out, I mean, besides the brick, they're gonna have to rebuild like the roof and everything like that. So
They'll probably clean off the concrete and then just have to redo the wood with wood, or redo the roof with wood. But they already have the concrete poured for all the.
redo the wood with wood.
I messed up. Redo the roof with wood.
Yeah.
But they have all the concrete poured. They'll probably put new doors and lights and stuff in.
Yeah, dude, that roof is jacked. And what sucks is this place was like just built. Like this is a brand new like storage facility and everything. So we're the actually first ones in this unit. So that's pretty cool.